In this video you will learn how to convert your own video into animated video. Open Google, type Deep Motion then search. Click on the first link. Click on Sign Up button. Enter your name, mail ID, and select the one option where did you found about this website. Click on I am human, verify CAPTCHA. Click on Get Started. Check your email, you will receive email from Deep Motion. Click on the link provided, verify your email. Create a new password.ch use security question, enter answer. Now sign with your email and password. Click on Animate 3D. Before you start, read the instructions carefully. Now upload your video. It should match the instructions they provided. For best results, follow these instructions. Enable MP4 video output. Click on Create. Select Start Job. Click on Download. Select MP4 format. Download your video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.